Good morning, children. Welcome back again in computer class. So today we are again continued the chapter number 7, that is Microsoft PowerPoint. In the last class we have studied how to open Microsoft PowerPoint and how to add insert slides and how to change the design. So today again we will start how to open PowerPoint. So let's start. Children, click all programs, Microsoft Office, Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Now window is open. This is the PowerPoint presentation window. Here again we will see some basic things. Now at the top you can see title bar. Now on the right side you can see window control buttons, minimize, maximize and cross. So I will start with picture, that is how to insert picture. Now children, how to insert picture? First click on insert tab, then picture, then select the picture from the right side. Here you can see navigation pane, select the picture. I will select this picture, click the picture icon and then select insert. Now the picture is inserted. Now children, remember one thing, you can always resize this picture. You can change the size of the picture. At the top you can see format option. This is the picture toolbar and this option appears only when you will click on this picture. Now children, when you will click on this picture, you can see now this format option disappears. So this tab appears only when you will click on the picture. If you will click on the slide, this tab will disappears. Now children, I will change the layout. I have changed the layout. Now I am going to add the picture border. So I have done that. Increase the width of the border. I have selected red color and you can again move that picture. Now you can also change the shape of the picture. Ma'am has done that. You can see. You can also recolor the picture. So all these are the properties of the picture toolbar and this will appear only when you will click on the picture. If you will click on the slide, anywhere on the slide, you will not find the format option. Remember children, this option appears only when you will click on the picture. Fine. Now I have one more option, reset picture. Reset means all the changes that you have done will be gone. So the picture will be in the original shape and size. Reset pictures means you have to undo all the changes. Now I will insert new slide. Now in this new slide, what I will do, I will change the design of the slide. Now this is the next subtopic in your book. You have to change the background style. How? Click on design. Then on the right side you can see background style. So when I will click, this window will be opened. Now in this window you can see I have clicked on the first option, solid fill. When I will click on the solid fill and I have selected the color green. So window is green color. Now second option, gradient fill. Now here you can see in this preset colors I have selected the color this one. The slide color changes, you can see that, and you can again changes the pattern of the colors. I have selected rectangular, circular. So in this way you can change the pattern of colors that will appear on the slide. This is the second option, gradient fill option. These options are used to change the background of the slide. Now children, you can see here you have two options, apply to all and close option. Apply to all means you will apply changes to all the slides. Now third one is picture or texture fill. You can see here I have selected this texture. I have so many designs. I will select this one. Fine. Now you can change the background of the slide. Remember children, you can apply this background to all the slides only if you will click on the option apply to all that I have shown you in the previous pane, background style option pane. Now if you want to apply the change only to particular slide, then you will just click the slide and apply changes. and close the close that window. Then this changes will be only for this particular slide. If you want to apply this background to all the slides, you have to click on the option apply to all slides. Fine children. Now next one is, here I will change the layout of the slide because I have selected blank slide and I cannot write on the blank slide. Now here I will first write, oh, this is not visible bache. So I will change the font color of the text that I have written. I will change the red color. Class 5 computer science, I have increased the font size also. Now here I will write in the second title box Microsoft PowerPoint. Fine. So I have selected first placeholder and write class 5 computer science. In the second placeholder I have written Microsoft PowerPoint. So in this way you can apply the text color changes, you can change the font size, font color, all the things you can do here also. Now insert new slide. I want to add clip art image. Fine. I have clicked and you can see on my right side that clip art window. I will write here school picture. So I will click go. You can see here the pictures that are related to school. Now I want to insert this picture. Oh, this cannot be inserted. So I will click on this bus. Children, remember this thing. You can also resize the clip art images also. You can increase the width, you can increase the height of the picture, and you can apply all the changes. And again you can see format option when I have clicked on this clip art image. Fine. So this in this way you can change the pictures of the clip art also. Now next I will increase the size of this clip art. Fine. Now I have done that. So children, next what we will do? We will use the view control buttons. You can see here on my on the status bar you have three view control buttons, view buttons. This is the second option, slide sorter view, in which you can see all the slides in the small size, that is miniature of the slides. You can see here, this is the third view, slide show view. This is the main view of the presentation. We always make a PowerPoint presentation to use it as a slideshow. That is, this view is used to project through the projector so that everyone can see that. Now you can see all the things are hidden, only this slide is visible to us. You can see only this slide. So you can see the content of the slide more clearly. Now next one is first option, that is normal option. Second one is slide sorter, third one is slideshow, and first one is normal view. This is a view in which you always do work in the PowerPoint presentation. Normal views is the default view. You always do the work in the normal view. Whenever you want to make a presentation, you always open the normal view. Fine children. Now the next topic is animations and transitions. This is the important topic that we have to cover. So what is animation and what is transition? First thing I want to tell you that animation means the changes that you are applying to the text that you have written. Either you have inserted picture, you have written text in the slide, or a clip art image, anything you have done in the slide, that changes are applied to the animation or applied through animation. And whenever you move from one slide to another slide, you want some beautiful things. So transitions are applied to the slides. That is the way the slides are presented to the user, and the animations are applied to the text or the things that are written on the slide. Remember this. This is the difference between slide animation and slide transition. Now here I have inserted the picture. Now I want to apply the transitions. You can see here so many transitions. Either you can select one transition and apply it to all the slides. You can see here apply it to all, or you can apply different transitions to different slides. You can see here apply to all means I want to apply changes to all the slides. Now I have selected this one. You can see the different ways the slide is opening. This is a different way, this is a different transition, this is a different transition. Now you can also control the speed of the transition. Medium, see sound. I have added sound to the slide. You can listen that. Fine. In the same way, I add here also different transitions and different sound. Now children, next is custom animation. Click on custom animation. Now you can see here again on my right side, new window is opened. Add effect, and now you can see this picture is appearing from the top. I have decreased the speed, medium I have selected. Now again in second slide I will select different animation, box. Now the text will appear in box like shape. Now for the second sub placeholder I will select the new option, spin. So here you can see this text is spinning. So I have again decreased the speed of the animation. On the third slide I will again apply some changes to the text. I will select diamond like shape. So hey, fly in. Now in this I will apply next animation to this, and I will do spin. See here. So in this way you can apply animation to your text, or to your picture, or to your graphics, that is clip art images or shapes that you have inserted. Now children, that's all for today. So now I'm going to give you an activity. You have to do a PowerPoint presentation. You have to make a presentation on the computer on the topic my school, and you will make 5 slides on that. Fine. Here you have to use all the options that mama used: custom animations, design, transitions. Look here, I'm doing all these things. So you have to apply all the things in your presentation also, and you have to make 5 slides on that presentation. The topic is my school, and you will save your presentation in your desktop. Fine children, all of you have to do this thing in your computer, and when you have your online class I will check your presentation. That's all for today children. Thank you children.